Hello viewers, I hope you're doing fine and well. So guys, I'm today back with another video. So guys, today I'm going to share another token website with you. So guys, this website is called SolarFi.finance. It is a good project. If you buy token from this project, I hope it will give you a lot of benefit in the future. That's my promise. So guys, if you're new at my channel, so like the video and subscribe my channel. So guys, let's start today's video. So guys, this project is called SolarFi.finance. It is a very unique project. If you invest in this project, it will definitely give you a lot of benefit in the future. So let's start. So guys, this is inspired by never ending sun. Solidify is made for everyone. So guys, Solidify is made for everyone. Time to get your rewards. So guys, this is a website which give you rewards. Hold Solidify tokens and get passive income in BNB every 45 minutes. It's Solidify time. So guys, if you hold SolarFi tokens and you can get passive income BNB every 45 minutes. It's SolarFi time. So guys, here we can see their white paper. So guys, after clicking the white paper, we can simply read their white paper. It is very short in size. You can simply download it and read it. So guys, here is their white paper. So guys, it is very short. You can simply read it. So guys, SolarFi white paper. The SolarFi white paper aims to educate to readers of our version. Here's all the thing you can read out if you want. So guys, this is simply 6 pages short white paper. You can simply read it. So guys, let's go back to the website. So guys, here we can see the three benefits for the SolarFi investors. Passive income by SolarFi reward system. By holding SolarFi in your wallet, you will be automatically rewarded with BNB. So guys, this is a very very good feature in this very good feature in this project. If you hold SolarFi in your wallet, you will be simply rewarded automatically with BNB. So guys, this is anti-bot and anti-dump. All bots before official launch will be catched and punished by putting them in blacklist. So guys, you can see all the things like that here. So guys, SolarFi is token with feature. So guys, this is a token with a great feature. As you are reading this right now, our developers are working on Web3D app which will include such feature as SolarFi Exchange, SolarFi Gaming, SolarFi Charity Goals, SolarFi Stacking, SolarFi NFT Farming, SolarFi Marketplace. Here are all the things that will be launching soon. So guys, here we can see their token address. Below you can find our official token address. Please use this address with interact with. So guys, here we can see their address. So guys, you can also check it from BSC scan by clicking here. So guys, when we click here, it is simply lead us to the BSC scan website, so we can check their contract from here. So guys, let's go back. So guys, here we can see their audit reward. So guys, below here you can find their official token address. Please use this address to interact with audit report. So guys, let's check their audit report. So guys, it's their audit report on the front. So guys, their achievements. So guys, here we can see their SolarFi roadmap. Their quarter 4 2021 is number 1 is website creation, number 2 is contract development, number 3 is airdrop hashtag number 1, number 4 is pancake swap listing, number 5 is audit, number 6 is heavy marketing push to pump, number 7 is coin market cap, CoinGecko listing, and fast track. Number 9 is airdrop hashtag number 2. Number 10 is finishing Web3 app. So guys, here you can see that quarter 1 2022. The number 1 is polishing Web3D app. Number 2 is starting work on mobile app. Number 3 is airdrop hashtag 3. Number 4 is hashtag 4. Number 5 is marketing on all social media. Number 6 is making collaboration with other projects. So guys, quarter 2 2022 is developing next project to make SolarFi family even larger. So guys, here we can see the highlights of SolarFi. It is also called tokenomics if you want. So guys, the 8% is their redistribution in BNB. 8% of every transaction is taken and redistributed to all holders. Hold SolarFi tokens and passive income in BNB 200,000 minimum tokens. So guys, here you can see auto paid of every 45 minutes for the first time. If you don't need to claim your earned BNB, it is automatically sent to your wallet every 45 minutes. 3% is auto liquidity pool. So guys, there 3% of every transaction is transformed into liquidity for pancake swap. It is automatic and helps create a place floor stability. So guys, here we can see anti dump and 1% sale fees. Sales are restricted to less than 0.02 of the total supply plus extra 1% fee is applied to all sales. This will allow us to reduce swing trading and break risk control. So guys, this website is secured by design. Initial liquidity provided with is locked with DXL for more than 24 months. The contract is being audited by tech rate in progress. So guys, they have a massive marketing plan. 2% of every transaction is allocated to marketing BNB in real time to avoid them, so we can fuel the most ambitious projects and reward our active community. So guys, here we can see the token and transfer and token metrics. So guys, SolarFi fair launch. They have no private sale for greedy VCS number 2, no whitelist for cronies number 3, no pre-sale for ruthless capitalists. Transaction fee to fund 2021 SolarFi movement. Transaction tax, the transaction tax is 15%, 8% is used to purchase BNB, which is automatically paid out divided into the holders. So guys, 3% is simply the buyback. 4% is allocated to the locked liquidity pool and burn. Number 5 is liquidity pool. Locked is 100%, unlocked rate is 2 years. So guys, number 6 is the token supply is the amount you can see here. So guys, number 7 is marketing wallet and airdrop wallet is 5%. So this is their marketing wallet amount. So guys, you can simply touch in this project owners by simply tapping Telegram or Twitter. So guys, if you have any queries, you can simply contact by clicking Telegram, and it will simply lead you to their group. So guys, you can join their group easily and share your problems, and the admins will reply as soon as they can. So guys, let's go back to the video. So guys, here we can see the Twitter page. You can check it. So guys, if you like today's video, please like the video and subscribe my channel. We will meet again in another video. Till then, bye bye.